I've had patients where they've had an accident first of the month,
Sure.
another one a month later.
Yep.
And they're getting under care for that first accident. They're down to maybe a 3 or 4 pain level wise, maybe getting close to 100%, boom, hit again.
Yes.
So at that point, how do you separate that? What do you do?
So that's a great question. That's why documenting as much as possible is so important. Okay, if for example, all situations. For example, if Dr. Tony's seeing that client and is putting in his reports that this person is getting better, and now by the last visit before his accident, the pain scale is a 2 out of 10, right? And then the accident's caused, and now he's back up at an 8. Well, guess what? It's properly justified and explained. Okay, and that pre-existing injury is not going to affect your case. Okay, there's a theory called the eggshell plaintiff theory. You mentioned that. Okay, which essentially means like Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, he's cracked shell. Okay, whether you fall from or whether someone injures you, whether you're cracked or not, they have to take you as you were. Okay, if for example you're more predisposed to getting broken bones, okay, and I barely tap your car and you happen to break a bone, well, it doesn't matter. Okay, I have to take you the way you were. Okay, and that's one of the biggest things that most people don't understand or realize.
Well, people have insurance. That's why you have it, because you don't know who you're going to hit.
Yes.
How hard you're going to hit them. What car they were driving. What the weather's like. You don't even know sometimes even your own car.
Exactly.
So that's why you have that coverage.
Of course. So an adjuster can come back to me and say, hey, well, listen, based on the property damage and this and that, your client shouldn't have had those injuries. Well, guess what? My client, already had a herniated disc that was doing a lot better, okay? And that this is either aggravated or exacerbated the situation.
Well, if you have even just medical records, period, and then also now you're being treated from herniated disc from maybe a work injury.
Yes.
And hit by someone now that person, he may be like in your good shape, but they have herniated disc. That enough impact, now you have an aggravation, sometimes a re-injury, sometimes a different area injured because of that problem.
Absolutely.